Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Lite YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of cloud task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.codicloud.com/practice. Hit enter. I directly got this task UI because I auto-saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button. As part of our 100 days of cloud task challenge, today we will see day 28, creating a private ECR repository task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Right. We got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. The Nautilus DevOps team has been tasked with setting up a containerized application. They need to create a private Amazon Elastic Container Registry ECR repository to store their Docker images. Once the repository is created, they will build a Docker image from a Docker file located on the AWS-client host and push this image to the ECR repository. This process is essential for maintaining and deploying containerized applications in a streamlined manner. Create a private ECR repository named DevOps-ECR. There is a Docker file under /root/pyapp directory on AWS-client host. Build a Docker image using this Docker file and push the same to the newly created ECR repo. The image tag must be latest. Use below given AWS credentials. Okay, they have given console URL, username, password, and also they have given some notes wherein they told that we need to create the resources only in US East 1 region. All right, first let's check. They already mentioned there is a Docker file under /root/pyapp directly on the AWS client host. Okay, this is the AWS client host. Let me go to this particular path that they have given. Pyapp, right? ls. Yes, we do have Docker file here. Right. First, let me copy this console URL. Let's create on the UI itself. Then we will push the image after building the image with the given Docker file. Let me copy the username, paste it here, then copy the password, paste it here, click on sign in. Alright, we are inside the AWS right now, and we have to make sure we are in the right region. PS East 1 is what they asked us to create resources. On top search bar, let me type ECR Elastic Container Registry, and here we need to create. Click on here, and then let me see if they mention anything. Create a private ECR repository. They have given some name. Let me copy it, paste it here, and then let's keep this mutable. It is fine. Tags can be overridden. So then let me go ahead with AES-256 encryption. That is also fine. They did not specifically mention anything. Let me click on create. Right, we have created ECR repository. We click on it. Here they have mentioned a view push commands. Click on it so that we will get all the instructions like how we have to push the image and how to tag and all. So let me copy this, paste it here, hit enter. We will get the login succeeded message, which means we are successfully logged in from AWS client. We can able to connect to our AWS. Build your Docker image using the following command. Let me stop it with Docker-ECR. It is fine. Just enter. It is building the image with this Docker file we have here. All right. We build the Docker image. Now let me tag it. So here they use the latest. So that is what they asked in our task as well. Let me do the same. Let me push it. See, right now we have no images here. All right. Now I'm pushing image from here. The terminal. It is pushing. All right, it is pushed now. Now we should be able to see here. Just now we did it. So if I do the Docker images, I should be able to see all the images that we built. This is what they asked us to do. So as we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. System is evaluating our work. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of our 100 days of cloud task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.